In today's video, we're going to see how to write an academic essay. With some examples, writing an academic essay involves a structured approach to presenting a well-researched argument or analysis on a specific topic. Here's a detailed guide to help you write an academic essay. First, you have to understand the essay question. Before you begin, thoroughly read and understand the essay question. Identify key terms and requirements to ensure you address the topic correctly. Then, after understanding the question, you have to plan and research. Choose a topic if the topic is not already selected. Ensure it is neither too broad or too narrow. Then research. Gather information from sources such as academic journals, books, and websites. Take notes and organize your findings. This is important. You have to develop a thesis statement in your introduction. What is a thesis statement? Thesis statement is a concise summary of the main point or claim of an academic essay or research paper. Focus the reader on what to expect in the rest of the text. A strong thesis statement should be specific, debatable, and provide a clear direction for the essay. Create a clear, concise thesis statement that outlines the main argument or purpose of your essay. The thesis should be specific and guide the direction of your essay. The thesis statement comes in your introduction. This is an example of a thesis statement. Next comes structuring your essay. This involves introduction. Like I said, you have to use a hook in the beginning that can be a quote or a surprising fact. Then you can give some background information. Along with that, the thesis statement. The thesis statement should outline the main argument or focus of your essay. This is an example introduction of an academic essay. After introduction, you need to use body paragraphs. You need to write paragraphs, right? So this is the outline of a body paragraph. First comes the topic sentence. Introduce the main idea of the paragraph. Then you have to give evidence. Provide evidence from your research to support your idea. Then comes transition sentence in the end of your body paragraph. This is important because you have to transition your first body paragraph to your second body paragraph. So it can be with an idea. This is an example of a body paragraph. Then comes counter-argument. If applicable, you can use a counter-argument in your body paragraphs. This is an example of a counter-argument in a body paragraph. Lastly, comes the conclusion. Restate your thesis. In the conclusion of your academic essay, you have to restate your thesis in a different way of the thesis in the introduction of your essay. Restate your thesis statement in light of the evidence presented. Summarize main points in your conclusion. from the body paragraphs. Then give a final thought if needed, and will end with a strong closing statement that reflects the significance of your argument or suggests further research. This is an example conclusion of an academic essay. In conclusion, lastly, you have to edit your essay if needed or proofread it. After writing your essay, revise it for clarity. Check for errors, punctuation, and proper formatting. Ensure that all sources are correctly cited according to the required citation style. You have to use citation in the end of your academic essay. It's very important. There are 3 types of citations, and we'll see it in the end. Here are some tips for editing your essay. Ensure your essay adheres to the formatting guidelines provided by instructor. This includes font size, margins, line spacing, and citation style. Properly cite all sources used in your research to avoid plagiarism. This is some example formatting in essays. This is the citation styles. This is the first citation style. It's called APA. This is an example of it. Book author. Then comes the second citation style, which is MLA, Modern Language Association. Then lastly comes the last citation style, which is called Chicago. Chicago Manual of Style.